how to set the lock screen to show the notification content only when unlocked on the iPhone 16 series. So at the moment you can see that when I receive notifications, it shows the content on my lock screen. So I want to have it set so that it will only show when my lock screen is unlocked with my Face ID here. So let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen and then tap on settings. In settings, we scroll down, then tap on notifications, and then tap on, so we go down and then tap on show previews, and then choose when unlocked. So select that and then swipe up to return back to the home screen. Now I will lock my phone and I will send myself a text. So here I send a text. So here it shows text message and the phone is locked at the moment, so I'll use my Face ID to unlock it. And when it is unlocked, it will now reveal my notification content. So show me the actual content of the notifications. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.